Today I am going to make a green breakfast. To have a green moong dosa, I have taken soaked green moong which I have soaked overnight, and then inside of that dosa 2 or 3 green chilies and ginger. I am going to grind it in a mixer. For a chutney with this dosa, I am going to take mint leaves, grinded roasted groundnuts, roasted split dal, coriander, coconut, fresh coconut and green chili. First, I am going to grind the flour for green moong dosa. I am going to take green moong, ginger, chili and black salt in a mixer. I have grinded the green moong in mixer, and you can check the consistency of the dosa atta. It is very sticky and thick. I have also added salt for taste. This is the pink salt, and I am going to put it on the gas. Now I am going to put the dosa on the gas. I can tell you that the tawa is hot, and this is how I am going to put the batter. Just spread it like the dosa itself. Until I have put the dosa to cook, I am going to grind the chutney in the mixer. I have taken the fresh coconut and then green chili, little bit of ginger. I am going to take coriander leaves inside this. Just taking all the leaves. Just maintain the consistency. It should be not very thin or even not very thick. And to maintain the consistency, I am checking it and adding the water again. So this is how the chutney turns out. This is the favorite chutney, my favorite chutney in the entire universe. It is very refreshing, it is very yummy, and it is also very nutritious. You have the thickness, that butteriness of the groundnut. You have coriander, you have mint which filters your kidneys. And I am going to serve this chutney with our green moong dosa. Batter, and the consistency is so good that you don't have to take any efforts, and then you can spread a little butter. Taste it now. So yeah.